Hi, everybody. It's Michelle, the computer lady with CellBotics. I would like to teach you 8 ways to get paid. Have you been worrying or in your head about AI and what it's going to do to the industry or what it's doing to jobs? Well, as a computer repair technician, as an analyst, as a specialist, that's not something that you'll have to be concerned with. Number one, by 2025, there are going to be over 25 billion devices in use. That's right, 25 billion with a B. And there's always going to be someone that needs an upgrade or repair, maintenance, because every 7 to 10 minutes, a device is getting broken. So that means you have cell phones, tablets, workstations, desktop, laptops, servers, and printers that will have to be maintained. And there's a myriad other ways to make money in this industry that will not let AI take what you have. Really, it won't let AI take what you have. Instead, you can be in an industry that is AI proof. Come to CellBotics and let me teach you 8 ways to get paid.